How to convert video to audio on Capcut. It's a pretty simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Capcut. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. It will land you on its homepage. Click on New Project. From here, select any of the video that you want to edit. Once you have selected, tap on Add at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the video has been uploaded, now what you want to do is click on Audio at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then you have to click on Extract. It will open up your gallery. Now from here, you simply have to click on the video that you want to extract the audio. Once you have selected, tap on Extract and Add Audio at the bottom of the screen. And there you go, the video has been converted into audio. Likewise, you can convert any of the video into audio. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can convert video to audio on Capcut. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.